beta, I didn't order any chocolates.
Open and see.
Why did you bring so many chocolates?
I did not bring also.
I am very angry with you.
I did not bring chocolate.
Then who brought it? What is this then?
Open.
See these chocolates it's written. Oh, is it Kaju Katri? It looks so fresh. Oh, it looks so fresh. I want to eat it.
Eat one. I also want to eat one. I'm very excited to eat.
Arush, where are you? I can see only cashews and sugars today. What are you up to?
Today we are going to make this yummy Kaju Katri.
Kaju Katri. I like Kaju Katri. I know, and you also love Kaju Katri.
And it is very special on Diwali, and you can make it whenever you want. And Kaju Katri is my very favorite sweet. That's why I'm making today, and I'm feeling so hungry now.
Okay, so these are the simple ingredients for
Yes.
Kaju Katri.
Very simple and very nice taste.
Okay, I would like to learn how to make Kaju Katri.
Good point to come today in today's video.
Okay, chalo, let us start.
Yes, before these kajus melt. First we'll take these kajus. They are frozen 15 minutes before the video.
Oh, you have frozen it. That's why I can hear the sound of kajus very crispy, like crunchy.
What happens if we do from very near? You can't hear the sound, right? Come up, sound is hearing.
Yes.
Guys, let us blend these frozen cashews fast. Forgot to take switching. Now this will work. Look guys, the cashews are turning into powder. Guys, because we have frozen these cashew nuts, these are forming into very crispy powder. So guys, you have to shake while doing this in case the leftover cashews will not be catched. Guys, this is done. Look at the fine cashew powder. Guys, look at this nice powder. Wow, it's so doughy. It's like chapati dough. And this, yuck. Because we grinded this 2 times, you found lumps like this. I mean, you should not try mixing 2 times. 2 times forms very bad lumps like this. Suppose like. So this is the better one from this. Guys, do you know which one is better? This or this?
Yes, I know this one.
Oh, right.
And you grinded it only 1 time.
Yes.
Thank you for this tip.
If you grind it 2 times, it will get very big, small lumps.
Yes, I can see that. And it's not good for a good Kaju Katri.
Like hotel style.
Yes.
I'm really missing that outside Kaju Katri. That's why I think of making Kaju Katri today.
Oh, that's why you're fighting at me. That I want to make Kaju Katri, I want to make Kaju Katri.
I was missing my Kaju
Okay,
Katri.
chalo, we'll start now. Next.
This, let us move to the start. Guys, we need 3/4 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of water.
Why do we need the exact amount of water and sugar?
You know why?
I don't know.
So the sugar will get enough thick so it can make yummy Kaju Katri.
Yeah, nice. I didn't know that. Okay, so now
Mixing time. Let us mix this a little. So this will get nice melting. You know why we mix?
so that sugar should melt fast.
It should melt fast and the heat will be distributed in parts.
Okay.
Guys, this looks amazing. Sugar and water, the combination is so nice.
Yes, I can see the water will be now sweet.
Yum yum.
Arush, shall we boil till it becomes very thick?
No.
Why?
Because if we boil it too thick, our kaju katri will become into lolly katri.
Oh,
Means lollipop katri.
no, I don't want lollipop katri. I want kaju katri. So
I also don't
is
want
it the right time now to add?
Yes, now
The sugar has melted.
Guys,
Right, Arush?
right. Guys, mix this continuously. Smash out those lumps. Guys, look, there were still lumps, but I continuously mixed it and the lumps are gone. Kaju katri is very delicious, right?
Yes.
And kaju katri is very easy to make,
Yes, I never knew it was so easy.
but hard for lumps.
Okay.
Let us add little ghee
Okay.
so that it will not stickiness will not come.
Okay.
And instead that stickiness will run away from here.
Okay. 2 spoons ghee.
Because I want it to not stick on that paper we are going to use,
Oh.
which we will apply light texture of ghee now.
Okay.
Guys, look at this. This is done and kaju katri takes lot of time to make, and guys, please don't speeden this up by putting on high flame or the batter may burn.
Really?
Really.
That's why I was saying you were mixing from very long time. So guys, remember always we need to
Guys.
continuously mix it. And
We
don't
wait for
enter it.
this to cool down, and after this we'll transfer it onto our ghee greased paper.
Okay.
Guys, let us check this and let us see how it came. Look guys, I took little bit here, took my palms and I'm starting rolling. Wow guys, this got into perfection texture. Look guys, look at this fine neat ball that came. Look at this ball, how wonderful it looks.
Yes, so is it done?
Yes, the texture
Okay.
is done. How did you notify that?
You showed me.
Um,
So now will you show me how to make the complete kaju katri?
yes. It's about time. We don't want to make it late, right? Let us grease some ghee on this paper
Okay.
because we don't want our kaju katri to become in circle shape, and our kaju katri mix will stick on this.
Okay.
Guys, now we are done spreading everything. Let us take our cashew paste out of this here too. Guys, let us do this mixing so Do this when it is too hot. Don't do this when it's too cold. Or you may need to pressurize it with your hands. You know why we don't do in the cold year?
I know, because it becomes very hard and we may not be able to mix it.
It will be still hard, but it will be easy to break with knife or hand.
Then it will not come into the shape I need, right?
Right.
The Kaju Katli shape, the diamond shape.
So this is the process of the diamond shape. Guys, let us roll this out. Guys, I've done this. I'm rolling this now fast. As if we don't do this fast, this may set into no Kaju Katli shape.
Oh!
Guys, rolling is done. My mama lightly cutted these nice diamond shapes for me. I'm going to cut them out thinly.
Okay, so it's ready to eat. Can I eat it, Arush?
No.
Why? It is done now.
We have to freeze it also now.
Freeze it, cool it.
Or you can keep it at room temperature.
Why? But I want to eat it.
I know you're so eager to eat now, but if we let it set, it will become like shop style.
Okay, if not, it is soft, so it will get broken.
Yes, that's
Oh,
why.
I understood. That's why you are telling me to wait.
Yes. I don't want to eating those bad Kaju Katlis.
Oh, okay, I will wait then.
Look guys. Wow, these Kaju Katli shapes came.
So guys, we
Now
need to keep
keep them-
this in the room temperature or?
Freezer.
Okay.
For 1 hour guys. Let us separate this in different places so this don't stick together. Do this very carefully guys, as if this may break. And these are very soft and the dough is very delicate. So please be careful guys while making Kaju Katli. That's why Kaju Katli is so
Yes.
Look at these. They are done.
Oh, they are looking so promising and well.
Let us put them in this box. Guys, if you have silver paper, you can put on for gifting.
Okay. Why didn't you put silver paper?
Because we don't have, and silver paper may give me very bad tummy ache.
Oh, that's why.
And it is crucial for health. And it is very bad for our body system. Guys, let us put this in the box.
Oh, it looks so fresh. I want to eat it.
Eat one. I also want to eat one. I'm very excited to eat. Yummy, yummy.
Can you eat and show how the taste is?
First, let me cut this and show you now. Guys, it's a fine texturing.
Yes.
Now let us taste it. I've already tasted the crumbs that could not make Kaju Katli, and this Kaju Katli came out perfectionly taste.
Okay.
Just like hotel style.
Give me one.
You can see.
It's very delicious, Arush. I'm just loving it. It's really fresh. One of the best Kaju Katli I have eaten.
Oh,
Thank you, Arush, for making this. And thank you for sharing with everyone.
you're welcome, Dad. I just pranked you with the chocolate box.
I was angry at first, but then I am very happy that you did this.
Because Kaju Katli is your favorite sweet, na?
Yes. So guys, if you follow the instruction of the ingredients, how much quantity to add, it will be really perfect Kaju Katli. So please do try at home if you like it.
Yes,
And let
guys.
us know in comments.
In the meantime, we'll be eating all this Kaju Katli.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
Guys, like my channel, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more new updates, and guys, do follow the instructions if you want a yummy Kaju Katli.